Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hair care with a focus on essential oils that can work wonders for your hair health and growth. Whether you're struggling with hair loss, looking to add shine, or simply want to maintain your hair's luster, these oils have got you covered. Let's explore the top 7 essential oils for your hair. Rosemary oil. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and massage onto your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before shampooing. Rosemary oil stimulates hair follicles, promoting growth and thickness. It also helps to control dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. Pumpkin seed oil, apply directly to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for an hour before washing it out. Rich in vitamins and minerals, pumpkin seed oil nourishes hair follicles, leading to healthier and stronger hair. It's also known for its potential to inhibit DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. Peppermint oil. Mix a couple of drops with a carrier oil, then massage onto your scalp. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Peppermint oil improves blood circulation to the scalp, which can promote hair growth. Its refreshing scent also provides a soothing sensation. Lavender oil. Add a few drops to your shampoo or mix with a carrier oil. Massage into your scalp and leave for 30 minutes before washing. Lavender oil has calming properties that help reduce stress, which can contribute to hair loss. It also adds a pleasant fragrance to your hair. Coconut oil. Apply a generous amount to your hair, from roots to tips. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight before washing. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes and conditions hair, reducing breakage and promoting shine. Its high lauric acid content can penetrate the hair shaft, strengthening it from within. Jojoba oil. Apply a few drops to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour before shampooing. Jojoba oil mimics the natural oils produced by your scalp, helping to balance oil production. It's excellent for those with oily scalps or dry ends. Castor oil. Mix with a carrier oil and apply to your scalp and hair. For best results, leave it on overnight and wash it out the next morning. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which can enhance circulation and promote hair growth. It also has moisturizing properties that improve hair texture. There you have it, our top 7 essential oils for promoting hair health and growth. Remember, consistency is key when using these oils. Don't expect overnight miracles. Incorporate them into your routine and give your hair the love and care it deserves. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content.